Look who we have here. We already have somebody living there. We are in a property right now in Fort Lauderdale area. It's a very, very private area with 20, maybe 22, 24.
So it's a townhouse condo style building. So this is kind of like the clubhouse. So you have, a private gym. I mean, it's pretty small.
Yeah, let me show you the gym. But this is like for a family of 22. So you have the pool, like you could see, and then in the lower level you have, the bar area, a pool.
Where you can have like a small gathering and use this area as a gathering. I think that's pretty cool. Who doesn't love like a sauna? Like,
yes.
I absolutely love that. So it's pretty cool. But we're gonna take you guys into
one of the units.
One of the units.
And the great amazing thing is you actually in an area that supports multi-million-dollar properties, but those properties are going from 1.3 to 1.7. So there's like 4 units left out of the 2 dozen. So this is the common area.
Yeah,
you have your pool table, the clubhouse. There you go.
Yeah, I mean it's pretty cool. Like he said before, that's a heated pool outside, so pretty nice.
Okay, so let's go see one of the units and see what 1.3 and 1.7 million dollars can get you. You see, you have a kitchen in your fridge. You could throw a party here in Fort Lauderdale. So in a nutshell, this is the building right here, and then every unit comes with 2 parking spots, private parking spots, secured parking spot, gated parking spot, as you can see right here. So there's each area has 2 levels. So you have 1 and 2, that's 1 unit. Then you have 2 and 4, that's another unit. So this is how the setup is. So let me take you inside. So obviously we have a lot of people interested in this. You have some clients going in.
It's actually pretty cool because I think it's like a 2-story. When you look at it, it's you have bedroom on 1 floor and your living space on 1 floor. That's why it's like a condo townhouse kind of style, which I think is pretty cool. If you love townhouses and you love condo, you have to.
And then it's in that area of Fort Lauderdale, which is, like I said, supports multi-million dollars. The great amazing thing is, every line has 2 only units. So the 4th and the 3rd floor is a unit, and then the 2nd and the 1st floor is a separate unit. So this is how they set up, which is actually amazing. So this is a mini lobby when you enter one of the units. So you have 1 elevator right here. So only 4 units share an elevator, which makes it very private. So this is how you would enter the apartment. And guess what you would see as you enter the apartment on your left?
Ta-da!
Yes. Look, she has a nice celery green, guys, ready to cook. Look at this. Go ahead.
So we're in the kitchen. So all the appliances in here are top notch.
As in wolf?
Yes.
Woo!
So
Wolf.
the amenities, the great thing about this unit is that your amenities, your association.
Yes.
What you pay for your association, I'm sorry.
Yeah, your HOA dues.
There you go.
Your maintenance.
There you go. It's a part of the guest.
Yes, it includes everything basically. So with your dues, the only thing that you literally do not pay is electricity. It includes the cooking, it includes the Wi-Fi, it includes the insurance, it includes everything. So look how amazing those cabinets are. Obviously this is your fridge, you could see that. But I just like the wood paneling. So this integrates very well into the kitchen. You have your little subway tile in the back, reminiscing of New York. And to those of you that cook, I don't even need to tell you why gas is important. Because most places in Florida, they use electricity. So enough of the kitchen. Here is your dining room area. This unit has a very nice flow in it. I mean, seriously, when you're here, you don't even feel like you off A1A. You know, it feels like one of those amazing New York City apartments. Look at your living room space, your outdoor living room space. So you have a summer kitchen. You have total privacy. You can't really see your neighbors can't really see you, and you have views of greenery. Even the generator that actually supports the whole unit is kind of green. So that was a great touch. So this is a nice sitting area. And we will go upstairs. Look, they're having a nice conversation in the mirror. Always working hard. Yeah.
3 bedroom, 3.5.
So we're going to the upper level.
Which is 3 bedroom, 3.5 bath.
Okay.
And this is the first bedroom. I mean, it overlooks A1A, but very, very chic, you know.
If you're into steak, you would want to look at A1A. So you have a little small balcony as well of this bedroom. It's a moderate size. I would say this is maybe 12 by 18-ish.
Yeah, it's more long.
It's long, yes,
wide.
definitely.
And then you have
A closet?
closet right here. And then of course you have the bathroom with a standing shower.
So it is standing, so not a tub for those of you that like to soak.
And
So the
then
elevator actually also can take you
straight to the bedroom.
straight to the upper level, the bedroom, like she said.
And this is the other bedroom, same size. I think the light fixture and the lighting from the balcony kind of like make it feel a little bit bigger. So I
Yes.
think that's really pretty cool.
Yeah, this is definitely gonna be a kid room, a small kid room.
Yeah.
You know, it's
Our guest bedroom.
yeah. Again, you have the balcony. Those doors bring the outside inside, the outdoors inside.
And then of course you have a closet, and then the half the bathroom is, well, a full bathroom is adjacent to that. So it's not actually in the bedroom, but it's,
So it's not a Jack and Jill, folks. It's a shared bathroom, because this bathroom obviously does not have access, doesn't open to the other bedroom. So this is going to be a shared bathroom. Where are you?
right here. And of course, this is like your, I guess, not a laundry room, but where you'll do your laundry.
Yeah, you know what the funny thing is? I just want to be clear about this. So in the laundry room, it's also housed the AC and the water and everything else. So it's not a separate, but nonetheless, it's on the second floor.
And then this is the master bedroom.
Master bedroom.
Yeah. And of course, you have standing shower and a bath tub, which is really nice. 2 sink. You have, you know, a big window to bring in a lot of light, and
Imagine after you soak yourself, you come out, you could look at your neighbors. Awesome. Double sink.
why would you want to play neighbors?
I would. And your standing shower. So if one of you likes shower, the other one likes tubbing, you could shower tub together. So this is a new word, shower tub. And then, needless to say, you have your balcony. Again, this balcony overlooks the greenery that I showed you downstairs. You know, your own oasis. This is really a perfect, I would say, condo slash townhouse for the young professional that wants to be in an area close to the beach. The beach is just few minutes walking here. And then the funny thing is, although the beach is public, but because there's no parking, it tends to be for the residents. So you don't really have, you know, a bunch of people navigating your beach. It's gonna be mostly locals that's gonna come to the beach, which is a great touch. You wanna say something, honey?
Yeah. Like you said, I want to piggyback on the fact that this condo townhouse style unit could be for a small family because it's not big, but it packs like a punch. You know what I mean? Like, it's not like a big lavish unit,
No.
but I like what it offers. I like the amenities, and I like that if you get out on your balcony, you don't really feel like you are like
In the middle of, you know, a bunch of people.
There you go.
There's a sense of privacy in it. I like it.
yeah.
Are we missing a bedroom?
No, it's 3-bedroom.
Okay,
3-bedroom,
so 3-bedroom.
2.5 bath. Maybe we're missing a bath. I don't know. Oh, the half bath
Yes.
would be downstairs.
Yeah,
so
would be
there you go,
downstairs,
2.5
definitely.
bath. But I like the concept, the townhouse condo type of.
Yeah, that's a great concept. To me, what really sold me is the fact that you have elevators. I mean, usually elevators in an apartment is reserved for multi-million-dollar properties, and this one for 1.3, 1.7. To have that touch, I think it's a great addition to the unit. So this is a unit in a nutshell.